The Shark Family Adventure. Hello, artist friends! How are you today? Let's meet the Shark Family. You know them, right? Once upon a time, deep in the sparkling blue ocean, there lived a very special shark family. They were known as the Shark Family, and they loved having fun together. Baby Shark was the youngest, always full of energy and excitement. Let's go on an adventure, Baby Shark would say with a big smile. Mommy Shark was very kind and loved to take care of everyone. She would say, "Adventure is fun, but we need to make sure we're safe and take care of each other." Daddy Shark was very strong and brave. "Let's swim fast and see what we can discover today," he said with a wink. "Oh, yes, of course, we've got a Grandma Shark too." Grandma Shark was always there with a warm hug and some wise words. "Life is a beautiful adventure, and you should always keep an open heart," she would say. Grandpa Shark was the wisest of them all. There are so many things to see in the deep sea. But remember to take your time and enjoy the journey, Grandpa Shark would tell everyone. One sunny day, the whole shark family decided to explore a beautiful coral reef. They swam through colorful coral, met friendly fish, and even played hide and seek with the playful dolphins. Baby Shark was the fastest, but Mommy Shark kept everyone together. "Look!" Baby Shark shouted, pointing to something shiny on the seafloor. It was a hidden treasure chest, filled with sparkly shells and treasures. Everyone gasped in amazement. "We found a treasure!" Daddy Shark cheered. But remember, it's not the treasure that is most important. It's the memories we make together. Grandpa Shark smiled and said, "The real treasure is the love we share as a family." I agree with Grandpa Shark. And Grandma Shark hugged them all, adding, "And the joy of every adventure we go on together." From that day on, the Shark family went on many more adventures, exploring the ocean, discovering new friends, and always remembering the greatest treasure of all, each other. Wow, kids! I really enjoy hearing that story. What about you? Family is the most important thing in the whole world. Do you take care of your family? How many brothers or sisters have you got? That's so sweet. Look at our drawing. The Shark family are ready to go. We've got beautiful Mommy Shark, Grandpa Shark, Grandma Shark, Baby Shark, and Daddy Shark. That's so sweet. I love the Shark family. What about you? it's time to color. Have you got your pencil colors? Take them and start coloring with me. First, we're going to color Baby Shark, which is yellow. Excellent! Yellow. Baby Shark is yellow. Now, who should we color next? What do you think? What about Mommy Shark? Oh, she is so sweet and kind. First, let's color her eye. Yes, I'm using my black color for her eyes and eyelashes. Now, let's use our pink color. Yes, pink. Mommy Shark loves the color pink. Let's get going. Don't forget to color her back fin too. Let's use our red color for her lips. Yes, red. Now let's move on to Grandpa Shark. Yes, Grandpa Shark, right here. Let's use our green color. Our baby shark is yellow, Mommy Shark is pink, and Grandpa Shark is green. I really enjoy coloring with you. Do you want to color Daddy Shark? Can you show me where is the Daddy Shark? Oh, of course. He's right here. Let's color him blue. Yes, blue, like the color of the sea and beautiful sky. Daddy Shark is so brave. Now our last member, Grandma Shark. The sweet, loving Grandma Shark. What color should we use for Grandma Shark? Huh? What do you think? What about orange? Oh, of course. Grandma Shark loves this color. Excellent! All done! Now, all we have to do is to add some shading and draw some bubbles. You can even draw more things to this drawing. You can draw a big treasure chest or more bubbles. That's so cool! You can even draw some seaweeds. Yes, green seaweeds. Ta-da! Excellent job! You were amazing! Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to see more videos. See you soon. Bye!